How to leave a Discord server. Feeling done with a server? Maybe it's too loud, no longer active, or just not your vibe anymore? No worries, I will show you exactly how to leave a Discord server in just a few clicks. Let's do it. First, launch the Discord app or open discord.com in your browser and log in. On the left side, you will see a list of all the servers you have joined. Each one has its own little icon. Find the one you want to leave and right-click its icon. Just a right click and boom, a little menu will appear. Scroll down in that menu and click Leave Server. A confirmation box will pop up. Are you sure you want to leave? Click Leave again and that's it. You are out. No more notifications or channels from that server. Quick note, you won't be able to rejoin unless someone sends you a new invite. And the server won't notify anyone that you left, so it's totally chill. And that's how you leave any Discord server, quick, simple and drama-free. Just a couple of clicks and you are off to exploring something new. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.